While this woman was pregnant, she made a fake ultrasound photo as a joke for her cat, telling him, "The baby is yours." But when the baby was born, things got serious, because the cat actually believed he was the father. From that day on, he never left the baby's side. If the baby cried while the mother was eating, the cat would immediately rush over. When the baby started crying, he would purr loudly to alert the mother. And while the baby slept, he kept coming back to sniff the diaper, checking if everything was okay. Their bond became so strong that if the baby didn't see the cat, he would cry uncontrollably. But the moment he saw him, he'd smile and calm down instantly.